Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are over in Bull Bay and we are looking at the Southern Coastal Highway that's being built. Now, we're not going to go any further, but this is one of the bridges that are being built as part of the highway. You can see the bridges looks complete, but I don't know how safe it is to go on this bridge, so we're not going to go any further. We're just going to show you. This is the Southern Coastal Highway, and this is a project that's been the largest road project that the government has on the way right now. It's going to connect Harborview to Port Antonio via this highway. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriage highway. You can see the concrete barricades separating both sides. Major road infrastructure project. It's being done, well, the contractor is China Harbor Engineering Company, and the project is on the way. It's being built in sections, and it's supposed to connect Harborview to Port Antonio when finished. The project started in 2017 and was to finish in 2023. However, the project has been delayed for various reasons. One of the main reasons is the work of the local contractors. But the project is going to finish in the year 2025 now. And it's going to bring immense economic value to St. Thomas and Port Antonio. And when this project is finished, it will connect Kingston, the city of Kingston, or more specifically, go from Harborview to Port Antonio. So will connect the city of Kingston to Port Antonio. And then from Port Antonio, you can get on the Northern Coastal Highway and drive from Port Antonio all the way back to Negril. So you'll pass through Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, major tourist towns, all the way back to Negril. So so from Kingston all the way to Negril will be highway quality roads. And that will signify some major improvement for Jamaica in terms of road infrastructure. So the project is actually carried out by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, and it's being built in phases. So the NWA is the government agency responsible for carrying out this road work, and the NWA is no longer in the Ministry of Transport. It's now in the Ministry of Economic Growth, and that's probably because these main roads that are being built are very expensive, and this highway is actually being funded by the China Exim Bank and the Jamaican government. So that's where the Ministry of Economic Growth comes in. So I am assuming, I don't know if that's the bridge that we just looked at is the entrance to the highway, because this main road down here is being changed into a 4-lane road. So I'm not sure exactly where the highway is going to start, but for some reason I think that bridge that we just looked at is where you're going to get on the actual highway, and this roadway here is going to be 4 lanes leading up to the highway. If anybody knows the exact spot where the actual highway begins, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. But I suspect this is where you're going to get on the actual highway, but this road that we're going on now is going to be 4 lanes. Alright, so this is Bull Bay and we're heading towards St. Thomas now. A lot of persons mistakenly, when they hear the name Bull Bay, automatically think St. Thomas, but this section is actually in the parish of St. Andrew. So we are actually coming up to the border now and entering the parish of St. Thomas. There you can see the sign, "Welcome to St. Thomas." Although these signs are not particularly at the boundary. They put up the signs at the most convenient point, close to the boundary. But it would be nice if they had signs at the actual boundary. But nonetheless, we are in the parish of St. Thomas now. And the reason why I point that out is because sometimes you have one company putting up a sign that says, "Welcome to St. Thomas." And then you drive and then you come up to another sign that says, "Welcome to St. Thomas," which is quite a distance from the other sign. But they put it up for locations where persons can see it more visibly, and not necessarily at the border. Alright, so this is Bulby and we're driving through St. Thomas. Now this section of the road is not going to be turned into 4 lanes because I guess you would access the highway at the point where we just saw.